Right, Nastruita top 10 Sungura classics of all time. Okay, yo. Number 11, tazoita 11, tati artist wese anoita song yakati. Sikuti artist anopinza ma song 3, 2 or 4. No, number 11, Penga Udzoke, Tsaona. This was stressing, this was confusing, but it's according to the comment section. On number 10, we have Nyaradzo by Ngwenya Brothers. And then on number 9, we have Tina by RK Sounds. Yeah! Then on number 8, we have Admire Kasenga Pamchato wa Tobias. Love it. And then on number 7, we have Simon Chimbetu. And then on Dodiko, let's just say Tenda. It's difficult. Yo, this was hard, guys. This was dangerous. Yo, and I know maybe ndasaiza and sikuziva but ndazongopika this song. Yo, and then on number 6 we have Samanyemba by Tonga. On number 5, Tovatati Mavinema Gokora by Nicholas Zakaria. And on number 4, we have Mabaua. And then on number 3, Alec Macheso. Matima Dau, but in Indati Mundi Kumbuke, and I'm gonna have to go with this. It was hard. It was so difficult. How can you choose 10? Iko kwa ivanima artist more than 20 vairira at the same time with different sounds and yo. And then on number 2 we have Mugove by Mr. Leonard Jakata. And then on number 1, I know a lot of you know. Ziggy, 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 ziggy. Who is that? Who is that? And mu comment section ndogara ndakanzwa kuti chitekete yakaridzwa ku Miss World. So this is it, guys. And Zivi, what do you guys think?